What does Easter mean to you? Is it old or is it new? Easter eggs, Easter bunny. It all sounds kind of funny. Easter to me is about the Saviour who died when all of mankind stood still that day and cried. He rose again on the third day. He is known as the Way. He died to set us free, this Rabbi of Galilee. Seek him in the early morning dew. Faith, love, and mercy will pull you through. Seek him with your troubled soul, reads to me the ancient scroll. Easter is a time of reflection, knowing the Saviour's direction. Wishing you all a happy Easter.